You're about to learn one of the easiest ways to make money through affiliate marketing. I've done all the research, so all you have to do is act on the step-by-step plan that I'm about to break down. And by the way, you don't need to invest in anything. You don't need to have a huge social media following. You don't need any crazy skills or experience. All you need to have is your device, internet connection, and the instructions that I'm about to give you. So be sure to pay close attention to every single money-making minute, and especially to the bonus tips and recommendations that I've put up my sleeves for you. So the very first website you'll want to go over to today is actually Google. And what you will want to do on Google is find online marketing tools. Simply put, you are looking for websites that help businesses. So just type in the search bar something like I have here, Best Marketing Tools for Businesses. And you'll be able to come up with a bunch of them that you can choose from. Don't worry, you don't need a business for this. I'll explain in a moment why you want to find these types of websites in particular. But for now, you want to try and find a few good ones. To decide whether a website is good or not, you can simply scroll through it and see what it looks like, whether it looks professional or not, and if there are reviews on some other platforms like Trustpilot. Make sure to check them out, since they are the best indicator of what kind of website you are looking at. I myself found 2 websites that you can use yourselves, but if you come across other ones that you prefer, go for them. So the websites I have here are wishpond.com and activecampaign.com. These are both very good platforms. They definitely look professional, and they for sure are good examples. Since I can't use them both as examples, I'm just going to use ActiveCampaign for the rest of this tutorial. Now, let's deal with the elephant in the room. Why are you searching for these types of websites, and how can you use them to get paid if you don't actually own a business? Well, you can use them to get paid by promoting them. And so what you guys want to do when you find a website of your choice is to go to their affiliate page if they have it. And most of the sites will have it. To find it 80% of the time, you have to scroll down to the bottom of the website and then click on where it says something like Partners, Affiliates, Affiliate Program, Affiliate, and so on. In my case here, as you can see, it reads Affiliate, and so I want to click on that. With that done, you will now be able to see what's quite important, the affiliate commissions. For those of you who don't know, an affiliate commission is basically a percentage of a product or website's price that the customer purchases, which you get paid. For example, if you get someone to here and they spend like $50, if they have a commission of 30%, you'd earn like $15. And you want these commissions, guys, to be as high as possible, which is why I said in the beginning to try and find a good website instead of saying, here's one you want to use. There are too many of them, simply put, and it's guaranteed that you'll be able to find one with higher commissions. Another thing I also want you to search for in websites is if they are legit and look professional. And this is yet another important piece of the puzzle when promoting something as an affiliate. If the website you are promoting doesn't look like it's any good, then the chances of you getting a purchase shrink down significantly. But if you can find a website that looks professional and seems like an awesome platform, and if it has great reviews to top it all off, then your chances of getting a purchase increase by a lot. So it's imperative you find good websites, guys. Also, due to the fact that the potential customers of the website you are promoting, business owners will have a lot of money, this further increases your chances of getting a purchase. This is the main reason I asked you guys to find websites about marketing and that help businesses. Business owners have a lot of money most of the time, and so they won't have issues investing some into what seems like a good website. Like this one here, for example. For the record, you can see that this website will pay me up to $1,350 per a single referral. So to say it's high paying is an understatement. Anyways, what you now need to do, guys, on the website of your own choosing is sign up as an affiliate to grab that affiliate link, and depending on what website you went for, the button to sign up will be located in different places. In my case, I just have to click here to sign up. From there, guys, you would just want to type in all of your personal info, like email, first and last names, country, and so on, before being able to sign up to the website. With that done, now that you have signed up to the website and grabbed your affiliate link, the most important part is here, actually getting traffic so you can make money. So let me now show you how you can use Google to easily find an infinite number of customers. What you will first want to do might seem weird, but stay with me. want to go over to Google and think of some sort of business, like a gym, a restaurant, something like that. And then you want to think of some sort of town that can be located pretty much anywhere where your business of choice can exist. As an example, I typed in Sacramento gyms. And what this will now do is show all of the gyms in Sacramento. And what you want to do now is scroll down a bit and then click on this button right here. What this will do now is show you the businesses on the map, but it will also show you the links to all of their websites. And this now gives you the option of contacting the business owners and promoting your website of choice to them. The real power of this strategy is that you can find literally any business located anywhere in the world, meaning that your customer number is pretty much infinite. And if you promote your website to like 100 people, which isn't even close to impossible, there's a very real chance you might get at least one purchase, which in my case could reward me with over $1,000. So the potential here is enormous. And for those wondering where you can find the contact info, most of the time it's located at the bottom of the website or at the top. One website I opened up here has the contact info near the bottom, and you ideally would want to find their email address. And then you will want to write an email promoting the website. Just make sure that your email seems as professional as possible, as that will directly impact how many people will actually click on your link. When you do write a good email, before you send it, make sure you copy it and then store it somewhere on your computer. And from here, you can contact the owners of all of those businesses without having to actually write anything from scratch again. This will make it all the more easy to reach out to as many businesses as possible. So that brings us to the end of today's tutorial. If you learned something from this video, then please show your appreciation by leaving a like down below, commenting your thoughts and experiences with today's method, and subscribing to the channel with notifications turned on. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.